Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can copy a task in your to-do list on Microsoft To Do, for example, to use them as a template for future tasks. So let us guide you through this. Navigate to your list of tasks on Microsoft To Do and right-click into the given task. You can also pick one from your list if you like. It works the same way. So let me go with this example task here. Right-click into it, hover your mouse over Copy Task To, and after that select the location, like the tasks section or a list. I will go with tasks, and you will see the copied or the duplicated tasks here. So you can click into it and customize it, change its title. Let me go change it to number 4, pick a category here, and also maybe a tag. And yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.